Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when your settings on your Samsung Smart TV are grayed out and you cannot select them. So if I go to like menu or something and I want to go over to screen adjustments or picture settings right here, and if it's grayed out, what you want to do is close any application on your Samsung Smart TV, or what you could try is going over to source and go to the TV source and just select this, then press menu. And then go back to the setting that is grayed out. So like picture settings is the one that's typically grayed out for me. Go to screen adjustments or picture settings right here, select it. And then you should be able to then select the setting and go into the menu for that and start adjusting it how you want. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.